Today, we're going to discuss an amazing topic that everyone needs to master.
Yes, today's topic is how to talk about yourself in English, a skill that's absolutely essential in everyday life.
This is incredibly important, whether it's a job interview, meeting new friends, or giving a presentation at the office. You'll need this everywhere.
Absolutely right. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss our videos.
And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really motivates us to create better content for you.
Also, share this video with your friends who are learning English. Let's help each other grow.
So, let's get started.
Salman, let me ask you, why is learning to talk about yourself so important?
Great question. You know, many people get nervous when they have to introduce themselves in English, but honestly, it's quite simple once you understand the basic structure.
Exactly. And the interesting thing is, once you learn these patterns, you can use them in so many different situations.
Right. So let's break it down step by step. First, let's start with basic introduction.
Yes, the very first thing is your name and basic identity. For example, my name is Salman. I'm Anu. You can call me Salman. People call me Anu.
Very simple, right? Now let's add a bit more detail. We can talk about where we're from. I'm from New York. I come from Los Angeles, California. I was born in Chicago, but I grew up in Boston. I'm originally from Miami, Florida.
Perfect. Now comes occupation or education. This depends on what you do. I'm a student at NYU. I work as a teacher. I'm a software engineer at a tech company in San Francisco. I'm studying medicine at Harvard.
Here's an important tip. Understand the difference between work as and work at. Work as refers to your designation or role, while work at refers to the company or place.
Excellent point. For example, I work as a marketing manager at Google in Mountain View.
Exactly. Now let's move to hobbies and interests. This is what makes conversations interesting and helps people connect with you.
Yes, here are some useful phrases. I love reading books. I enjoy playing basketball. I'm interested in photography. In my free time, I like to watch movies. I'm passionate about cooking.
And remember, after words like, love, enjoy, and hate, we use the verb with ing. For example, I like cooking, not I like cook.
Very important grammar point. Now let's go a bit advanced. We can describe our personality. I'm a friendly person. I consider myself hardworking. People say I'm creative. I would describe myself as optimistic.
There's another great structure. I'm the type of person who. This sounds very natural in conversation.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. For instance, I'm the type of person who loves challenges, or I'm the type of person who enjoys helping others, or I'm someone who believes in continuous learning.
Wonderful. Now let's see a complete example. Suppose I need to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Salman. I'm from Seattle, Washington. Currently, I'm working as a content creator and English teacher here in the Pacific Northwest. I'm passionate about helping people improve their English communication skills. In my free time, I enjoy hiking in the Cascade Mountains and exploring coffee shops around the city. I'm a curious person who loves learning new things. My goal is to make English learning fun and accessible for everyone.
Perfect example. Notice how it includes all the elements: name, location, work, passion, hobbies, personality, and even goals.
Exactly. Speaking of goals, that's another important aspect. talking about our ambitions and dreams. My goal is to become fluent in Spanish. I hope to travel across Europe. I'm working towards starting my own business. I aspire to be a successful entrepreneur.
And we can also talk about past experiences. I studied computer science at Stanford University. I used to work at a bank in New York before. I've been teaching for 5 years. I previously worked as a journalist in Washington, D.C.
Here, using the correct tense is crucial. For past events, use the simple past or present perfect. For current situations, use present simple or present continuous.
Absolutely right. And here's a common mistake. People say, I am working since 5 years. That's incorrect. The correct form is, I have been working for 5 years.
Excellent correction. Another common error is using since and for incorrectly. Remember, for is used with a period of time, and since is used with a point in time.
Great point. For example, I've been living in Austin for 3 years, but I've been living in Austin since 2022.
Now let's look at some useful phrases that make conversations flow smoothly. As I mentioned earlier, by the way, speaking of which, that reminds me, to be honest.
And when we don't know something, it's better to be honest. I'm not sure about that. I don't have much experience in that area. That's something I'm still learning. I'm not familiar with that topic.
Very good point. Honesty is always appreciated. Now let's talk about a specific scenario, job interviews.
In interviews, tell me about yourself is the most common question. Here, you should follow a simple structure. Present, what you do now. Past, your relevant background. Future, your goals and aspirations.
Can you give us an example?
Of course. Currently, I'm working as a marketing specialist at a tech startup in San Diego, where I manage social media campaigns and content strategy. I graduated with a degree in business administration from UCLA, where I developed a strong interest in digital marketing. In the future, I aim to become a marketing director and lead innovative campaigns that make a real impact in the technology sector.
That's a perfect interview answer. Notice how it's focused, relevant, and shows ambition.
Exactly. And here's a pro tip. Keep it between 60 to 90 seconds. Don't make it too long or too short.
Now let's talk about describing our skills and strengths. I'm good at problem solving. I have strong communication skills. I'm skilled in graphic design. My strength is teamwork.
And if you want to sound more confident, you can say, I excel at managing projects. I'm particularly strong in analytical thinking. One of my key strengths is adaptability.
But remember, it's also important to acknowledge areas where you're developing. I'm currently working on improving my public speaking skills. I'm developing my technical knowledge in this area. This is something I'm actively learning.
Great point. Now let's talk about some phrases to connect your ideas smoothly. These transition words make your speech sound more natural and organized.
Yes, like furthermore or moreover to add information. However, or on the other hand, to show contrast. For instance, or for example, to give examples. In addition, to add more points.
And don't forget body language. Even though we're focusing on language today, remember that how you present yourself matters too. Make eye contact, smile, and be confident.
Absolutely. Confidence comes from practice. The more you practice introducing yourself, the more natural it becomes.
Let me give you one more complete example, this time in a casual, friendly setting. Hey, I'm Anu. Nice to meet you. I'm a teacher here in Portland, Oregon, and I absolutely love what I do. I've been teaching English for about 6 years now. When I'm not working, you'll probably find me playing guitar or exploring the amazing food scene around the city. I'm also a huge basketball fan. Go Blazers! I'm the type of person who loves meeting new people and learning about different cultures. What about you?
Notice how Anu ended with a question, right? That's important. Always try to keep the conversation two-way. It shows you're interested in the other person too.
Exactly. Speaking about yourself doesn't mean talking nonstop. It's about sharing relevant information and creating a dialogue.
So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. To talk about yourself effectively in English, include these key elements.
First, your basic introduction, name and where you're from.
Second, what you do, your occupation or studies.
Third, your interests and hobbies, what makes you unique.
Fourth, your personality traits and strengths.
Fifth, your goals and aspirations, where you're heading.
And remember, practice is key. Try introducing yourself in front of a mirror, record yourself, or practice with friends.
Start with simple sentences, then gradually add more details as you become comfortable. Don't try to be perfect from day one.
And here's a homework assignment for all of you. Write down your own introduction using what we've learned today. Practice it out loud at least 5 times.
If you want, share your introduction in the comments below. We'll read them and give you feedback.
Before we end, remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We post new English learning videos every week.
Hit the like button if this video helped you and share it with anyone who's learning English. Your support means everything to us.
And if you have any questions or want us to cover specific topics, let us know in the comments. We read every single comment.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, everyone was a beginner once.
You've got this. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Goodbye. Take care.